What we have today is a LED underglow kit. Very easy to install. 2 wires, positive, negative, and that's about it. They get another auxiliary wire you can hook up to a speaker, to a door, anything that you want. All the strips they made out of rubber, complete waterproof. Come with a wireless remote. Instructions. Let me turn it on. Multiple colors, different flash patterns. These things completely waterproof, as you can see. Put this in a truck bed, under a car, in wheel wells. Light your rims up, light the interior up. I mean, you got many different colors, different flash patterns. There's so many. I mean, I can't even begin to explain. You have to look up all the stats on www.hidforcheap.com. You got strobe patterns, flash patterns, color change. This is a color change feature. Just keeps changing color to color to color. Different color. Flashing patterns. I say you can put these anywhere you like, on a car, a boat. Very, very, very bright. I'll shut the lights off, let you see it. Lights the whole room up. Blues to greens to purples, pinks, white. All in stock. Everything we sell, we install on our own customers' cars. Everything shipped, stocked in the United States, in Rhode Island. Everything ships out the same day, next day shipping. www.hidforcheap.com. The best LEDs, HIDs, DRLs, strobe light kits, underglows, Audi strips. Everything's tested, pre-tested before it leaves our shop to ensure you get a working product. Fast shipping. You buy some stuff on eBay, buy stuff from overseas. It might take weeks, months. You get it usually, our stuff, usually get it less than a week. Anything in the Northeast, you're getting it in 1 to 2 days. Anything across the country, 3 to 4 days. www.hidforcheap.com.